Kate from KateNonyelu.com. KateNonyelu.com. So, if you haven't been following me, I want you to click the link, the subscribe button, okay? And there's a little button for you to click so you get notified when I have a new video. All right. So I applied for to actually sell on the Walmart marketplace, like 5 or maybe 4 and 5 p.m. in the evening, and this morning I got approved that I can sell. Okay, so that's as quick as it can get. All right, so I'm going to show step by step on how I did it. All right, so let's go. Okay, so we're gonna go to Google, put in sell on Walmart, but you can also go to walmartmarketplace.com. You will see arrive some, here. I'll click on this link and then it will take us to their website. We're gonna click on request to sell, and then it will show you all the requirements. Yeah, click the button of what you need to have handy. So you need like your EIN letter, you need your W9 or W8. If you're outside, is W8. If you're in the United States, W9. All right, so before you click the start application, let's get the W9 form. All right, so go back to Google, put in the W9. It's gonna open. So we're gonna click on this link. That's the one that I used, and then open the form opens. So we're gonna fill this out. It's just one form. Okay, so we're gonna fill it out and then sign and date. Okay, everything, this is just one, but everything below here is all for information purposes. Since I'm not a tax expert, hello, so read up and figure it out, but this is how I filled mine. If you need help, I'll link the video of how I filled it out. Okay, so we're gonna click on the print when you're done and then sign. All right, now we can go to start application. All right, so this is what it opens, the new page. So it has 4 steps. Okay, right now we're gonna go to filling out your first name, your last name, just like, answer everything that you need to answer. It's simple, it's not that difficult. So just keep going. So when you get here, the W9 is for people that are in the United States, and the W8 are for people that are outside. So you're gonna choose your country, like, okay. So after that, I'm gonna go down, and on this stage, this, when you get here, this part is gonna be highlighted, so you can upload the form that you just filled out, if it's W8 or W9, and then click on upload attachment when you're done. Okay, and that's it. Then you just answer other questions. All right, so it's more like just filling out what you need. And then this is, are you transporting goods from another country? I said no. And okay, choose whatever you want that applies to what you want to sell. Okay, so when you're done, you click on the next button. Right, so when you click on next, we're gonna come to the page, which is product and integration. Right, so here you're gonna put in like the average revenue that your company makes in a year, and this tip, click on this. Well, it's not like clickable though, but it's just telling you what you should put. Okay, so now you have to fill out everything else. So you go to, like, I'm not Amazon seller, so I didn't fill that part out, so I just skip straight to the catalog side. So like, what now, I just put like whatever number of my, like, how many product do I want to list, so that's what I put in there. So you click on that and put in whatever amount you want to put. There's no right or wrong, you know what you want to fill out. Okay, so I'm just gonna put 1,000 for this video purposes. So no here as well. All right, and then I'm gonna say no because I don't have anyone that I use, any product that I use as well, so I'm gonna say no. So right here I say, have you planned to integrate with Walmart? How are you planning to integrate with Walmart? So I just go with direct because I don't have the like using like Invoke, so I just go with Walmart and just click on. So if you have, you can click on that, but I don't, so I just choose the direct, right, which is more like singles. So click on next. It opens up this page. So right here, this is more like like your shipping. So I just say no. So like if my warehouse is outside, I say no, and then what state. I just put California, which is where you incorporated, like in your business. So that's why I put California. And the year my business was found, I put 2016. And can you fulfill order by 2? I said yes. Current shipping method, I just put USPS, and then fill out this part. Okay, so you just need your warehouse information, all right? And then when you get to the bottom section, which says why would you be a good fit for Walmart Marketplace, you're gonna figure it out. Okay, so I just put like um I have products. Okay, I don't know, hold on, let me think. So this is more like what I came up with. So click complete application and you're good to go. Yeah, you have this page open like thanks. Okay, so someone's gonna reach out to you and all that. Okay, so now you're gonna wait because like I told you, I applied like around 4 5 p.m. yesterday, and today I got my confirmation email. So good luck guys, I know you're gonna make it. Okay, so hope you watch the next video on how like the next step, which is another process, to start selling on Walmart Marketplace. See you guys soon. Bye.